To mend your knitwear with a blanket stitch, you will need something to hold your fabric still while you are mending. I use a cork pad for this, but you can opt for the hoop or any other stable surface like cardboard. Start by passing your needle with the thread and making some running stitches to secure the end of the thread. Then start making blanket stitches. Move around the entire hole and try to secure each stitch of the knit. This row of the blanket stitches will form a base for entire mending. After the entire row is stitched, join the last stitch with the first one and move on to the second row. Now the stitch from the first row is the base for the stitch of the second row. Move around in circle and do not miss any of the stitches. After the entire row is done, join the last stitch with the first one and move on to the next row. Repeat the stitches as you go. As the hole gets smaller, skip some stitches from the previous row to reduce the number of stitches in a row. When the thread gets too short, park it on the side and start a new length of the thread. Leave the ends of the threads parked on the side so we can take care of them later. Carefully finish the last stitches at the center. Then park the thread on the side. The mending is done. As you can see, the fabric remains elastic. Now it's time to take care of the long threads that we left behind. Turn the knitwear around so you can take care of the threads from the back side. Pull all the loose ends to the back and thread the needle. Secure the threads under the stitches on the back. Secure and cut away all the loose ends. Now the mending is complete, the hole is gone and the fabric remains elastic.